Mekhtar is a hidden gem in Balochistan, Pakistan. Nestled in the heart of this rugged province, Mekhtar is a place that remains largely untouched by the hustle and bustle of modern life. Its remote location and challenging terrain have kept it off the beaten path, making it a perfect destination for those seeking solitude and adventure. The beauty of Mekhtar lies in its raw, unfiltered nature, where the landscape tells a story of resilience and timelessness. It is a place of unique beauty and challenges. The vast expanse of desert, punctuated by rocky outcrops and sparse vegetation, creates a stark yet mesmerizing panorama. The flora and fauna here have adapted to the harsh conditions, showcasing nature's incredible ability to thrive in adversity. The desert plants, with their deep roots and hardy exteriors, are a testament to survival against the odds. The region is known for its desert environment. It has diverse geology. The geological formations in Mekhtar are a sight to behold, with layers of rock that have been sculpted by the elements over millennia. These formations not only add to the visual appeal of the landscape, but also offer a glimpse into the Earth's ancient history. The rocky terrain, with its jagged edges and hidden crevices, invites exploration and discovery. The challenging climate makes it a true test for nature lovers. The scorching sun, the dry winds, and the extreme temperatures all contribute to an environment that is as unforgiving as it is beautiful. For those who dare to venture into Mekhtar, the rewards are immense. The sense of accomplishment that comes from navigating this harsh landscape is unparalleled, and the memories made here are sure to last a lifetime. Mekhtar offers a glimpse into a world rarely seen. Its remote location means that it has remained largely untouched by human activity, preserving its natural beauty and ecological integrity. The untouched scenery, with its pristine landscapes and unspoiled vistas, provides a sanctuary for those looking to escape the chaos of urban life. Here, one can truly connect with nature and experience the tranquility that comes from being in a place that feels almost otherworldly. Mekhtar is different from other places in Pakistan. While the country is known for its diverse landscapes, from lush valleys to towering mountains, Mekhtar stands out with its unique desert features. The contrast between Mekhtar and other regions is striking, highlighting the incredible diversity of Pakistan's natural beauty. This diversity is what makes Mekhtar such a fascinating destination, offering a different perspective on the country's rich geographical tapestry. Petaro is known for its lush green fields. In stark contrast to Mekhtar's arid landscape, Petaro's verdant fields are a testament to the region's agricultural prowess. The fertile soil and favorable climate have made Petaro a hub of agricultural activity, with fields of crops stretching as far as the eye can see. This juxtaposition of lush greenery and barren desert highlights the incredible range of environments found within Pakistan. Sehwan is famous for its historic shrine. The shrine, a cultural landmark, attracts visitors from all over the country and beyond. It stands as a symbol of the region's rich history and spiritual heritage. The bustling activity around the shrine, with pilgrims and tourists alike, contrasts sharply with the serene and solitary landscapes of Mekhtar, showcasing the diverse experiences that Pakistan has to offer. Azad Jammu and Kashmir boast stunning mountain ranges. The snow-capped peaks and lush valleys of this region are a far cry from the arid deserts of Mekhtar. This diversity in landscapes is one of Pakistan's greatest strengths, offering something for every type of traveler. Whether you seek the thrill of mountain climbing or the peace of a desert retreat, Pakistan has it all. Mekhtar stands apart with its stark beauty. The dramatic desert landscape, with its barren terrain and striking geological features, creates a sense of awe and wonder. The simplicity of the desert, with its vast open spaces and minimalistic beauty, offers a different kind of allure. It is a place where one can find peace in the silence and beauty in the simplicity. It has a raw, untamed wilderness. The rugged desert landscape, with its wild and untamed beauty, is a reminder of nature's power and resilience. This untamed wilderness is a haven for adventurers and nature enthusiasts, offering endless opportunities for exploration and discovery. The sense of freedom that comes from being in such a wild and unspoiled place is truly exhilarating. This essay will explore the natural wonders of Mekhtar. From its diverse desert terrain to its unique geological formations, we will delve into the many aspects that make Mekhtar a hidden gem. We will uncover the secrets of this remote region and learn about the incredible natural beauty that it has to offer. We will journey through its arid plains and mountain highlands. The journey will take us through the varied landscapes of Mekhtar, from the flat, arid plains to the rugged highlands. Each area has its own unique charm and beauty, offering a different perspective on the region's natural wonders. We will discover its hidden geological treasures, The hidden rock structures and unique geological formations are some of Mekhtar's most fascinating features. These natural wonders provide a glimpse into the Earth's history and offer a unique opportunity for geological exploration. We will also learn about the challenges of its climate and the resilience of life that thrives there. The harsh climate of Mekhtar presents numerous challenges, but it's also home to a variety of resilient plants and wildlife. These species have adapted to the extreme conditions, showcasing nature's incredible ability to survive and thrive in even the most inhospitable environments. Join me as we uncover the secrets of Mekhtar, a true testament to nature's enduring power. This journey will take us through the heart of Mekhtar, exploring its natural wonders and uncovering the secrets of this hidden gem. We will witness the beauty and resilience of nature in one of Pakistan's most remote and untouched regions. Come, explore the hidden wonders of Mekhtar. The hidden treasures of Mekhtar, from its unique geological formations to its resilient flora and fauna, offer a wealth of natural beauty and wonder. This exploration will reveal the many facets of Mekhtar's landscape, showcasing its incredible diversity and beauty. It is a journey you won't soon forget. The captivating landscapes and unforgettable experiences of Mekhtar will leave a lasting impression. This journey through one of Pakistan's most remote and beautiful regions is sure to be a memorable adventure, offering a unique and enriching experience for all who embark on it. Mekhtar's arid plains stretch as far as the eye can see. These vast expanses of land are a defining feature of the region, characterized by their seemingly endless horizons and the stark beauty of their barren landscapes. The plains are a testament to the raw and untamed nature of Mekhtar, where the land meets the sky in a seamless blend of earth tones and azure blue. These plains are a defining feature of Mekhtar's landscape. They are not just empty stretches of land, but are filled with subtle nuances that tell the story of the region's geological and ecological history. The undulating dunes and rocky outcrops are remnants of ancient processes that have shaped this land over millennia. They are covered in sand and gravel. The vegetation is sparse, with only the hardiest of plants managing to survive in such harsh conditions. These plants have adapted to the arid climate with deep root systems and small, tough leaves that minimize water loss. The ground is a mosaic of textures, from fine sand to coarse gravel, each telling a part of the story of this ancient land. This creates a stark and beautiful scene. The clear skies and the vast open spaces give a sense of tranquility and timelessness. The beauty of the arid plains lies in their simplicity and the way they reflect the harsh realities of nature. The interplay of light and shadow on the landscape creates a dynamic and ever-changing canvas. The plains are crisscrossed by seasonal rivers. These dry riverbeds, known as wadis, are a lifeline for the region. They may appear barren for most of the year, but they hold the promise of life when the rains come. The riverbeds are etched into the landscape, a reminder of the power of water in shaping the land. These rivers come alive during the monsoon season. When the rains arrive, the dry riverbeds transform into flowing streams, bringing much-needed water to the land. The monsoon is a time of renewal and rejuvenation for the arid plains, as the water breathes life into the parched earth. They bring much-needed water to the land. The arrival of water is a dramatic event, turning the dry, dusty plains into a vibrant landscape teeming with life. The water nourishes the soil, allowing plants to grow and animals to thrive. It is a brief but vital period of abundance in an otherwise harsh environment. This water sustains life in this harsh environment. The seasonal rivers are crucial for the survival of many species, providing a source of hydration and nourishment. Plants and animals alike depend on this water to sustain them through the dry months. The presence of water creates pockets of life in an otherwise inhospitable landscape. These rivers are vital to the ecosystem. They support a delicate balance of life, with each species playing a role in the overall health of the environment. The rivers are a hub of activity, attracting a variety of wildlife and supporting a diverse range of plant species. They are the arteries of the arid plains, bringing life to the heart of the desert. They support a variety of plant and animal life, from hardy shrubs and grasses to insects, birds and mammals. The arid plains are home to a surprising diversity of life. Each species has adapted to the challenging conditions, finding ways to survive and thrive in the harsh environment. The presence of water is a key factor in this delicate balance. The plains are home to many creatures. Gazelles, foxes, and a variety of bird species are just a few of the animals that call this place home. These creatures have evolved to cope with the extreme temperatures and scarce resources, showcasing the incredible adaptability of life. They are adapted to survive in this arid environment. The animals and plants of the Mekhtar Plains have developed unique strategies to conserve water and energy, ensuring their survival in one of the most challenging habitats on Earth. Their resilience is a testament to the power of adaptation and the will to survive. The arid plains of Mekhtar are a testament to nature's resilience. Despite the harsh conditions, life finds a way to persist and even flourish. The landscape is a living example of the strength and adaptability of nature, where every plant and animal has a role to play in the ecosystem. They are a reminder of the delicate balance of life in extreme environments. The arid plains of Mekhtar highlight the intricate and fragile connections between the land, water, and living organisms. This delicate balance is a reminder of the importance of preserving and protecting these unique ecosystems for future generations. Mekhtar is not just a land of flat plains, it is also home to towering mountain highlands. These mountains rise up from the desert floor. They provide a stark contrast to the surrounding landscape. The mountains are home to a variety of wildlife. Animals find refuge in the cooler temperatures. Some of these animals include the elusive snow leopard and the majestic ibex. The highlands are covered in a variety of vegetation. This vegetation is adapted to the harsher climate. It provides food and shelter for the animals. These mountains are a vital part of the ecosystem. They provide a source of water for the surrounding plains. They are a refuge for wildlife. Mekhtar is home to a wealth of geological wonders. One of the most notable is its fluorite deposits. These deposits are found in the mountain ranges. They are a testament to the region's unique geological history. Fluorite is a mineral that comes in a variety of colors. It is used in a variety of industrial applications. Mekhtar's fluorite deposits are known for their purity and size. These deposits are an important part of the local economy. They provide employment opportunities for the local population. The fluorite deposits of Mekhtar are a reminder of the hidden treasures that lie beneath the surface. They are a testament to the geological forces that have shaped this region over millions of years. Mekhtar's climate is as unforgiving as its landscape. It is characterized by extremes. Hot summers and cold winters test the limits of human endurance. The summers are scorching hot. Temperatures can soar well above 40 degrees Celsius. The sun beats down relentlessly, making it difficult to be outside for long periods. The winters are equally extreme. Temperatures can plummet below freezing. The wind howls across the plains, creating a biting cold. Rainfall is scarce throughout the year. The monsoon season brings some relief, but even then the rain can be unpredictable. Section 6. Exploring the surroundings. Nearby attractions. While Mekhtar itself is a destination for the adventurous, there are other attractions nearby. These attractions offer a glimpse into the culture and history of the region. The historic town of Kuzdar is located a few hours' drive from Mekhtar. It is home to a number of ancient ruins and mosques. The Hana Lake is a popular spot for picnics and boating. It is a welcome respite from the heat of the desert. For those interested in wildlife, the nearby Kirtar National Park is home to a diverse range of species. This includes the Sind ibex and the striped hyena. Section 7. Flora and fauna of Mekhtar. Adapting to the harshness. The flora and fauna of Mekhtar are as unique as the landscape itself. They have adapted to survive in one of the harshest environments on Earth. Plants are sparse in Mekhtar. They are hardy and resilient. They have developed adaptations to survive the lack of water. Some plants have deep roots to reach underground water sources. Others have developed the ability to store water in their leaves and stems. Animals have also adapted to survive in this environment. Many animals are nocturnal. They avoid the heat of the day. Some animals, like the camel, can go for long periods without water. As Section 8, Visiting Mekhtar Practical Advice for Travelers. Visiting Mekhtar is not for the faint of heart. This remote and rugged destination offers breathtaking landscapes and a sense of adventure that is hard to find elsewhere. However, it also presents unique challenges that require careful planning and preparation. Before embarking on your journey, make sure you have all the necessary gear and supplies. This includes not only your hiking equipment, but also essentials like food, water, and first aid supplies. But for those who are up for the challenge, it is a rewarding experience. The sense of accomplishment you feel when you reach a scenic viewpoint or navigate through a difficult trail is unparalleled. The natural beauty of Mekhtar is truly awe-inspiring, with its diverse landscapes ranging from rocky terrains to lush valleys. The best time to visit Mekhtar is during the cooler months. This is when the weather is most favorable for outdoor activities. The temperatures are more bearable and the skies are often clear, providing perfect conditions for hiking and exploring. This is from October to April. During these months, you can enjoy the beauty of Mekhtar without the extreme heat that can make outdoor activities dangerous. The autumn and spring seasons in particular offer stunning natural scenery with vibrant colors and blooming flora. The temperatures are more bearable during this time. You can expect moderate weather that is ideal for hiking and other outdoor adventures. However, it is still important to be prepared for sudden changes in weather, as conditions can vary greatly even within a single day. It is important to pack for all types of weather. Bring layers of clothing. Layering allows you to adjust your clothing to stay comfortable as temperatures change throughout the day. Start with a moisture-wicking base layer, add an insulating layer for warmth, and top it off with a waterproof and windproof outer layer. Be sure to have sturdy footwear. The rocky and uneven terrain of Mekhtar requires durable and supportive hiking boots. Make sure your boots are well broken in before your trip to avoid blisters and discomfort. It is also essential to bring plenty of water and food. Staying hydrated and well-nourished is crucial, especially in a remote area like Mekhtar where facilities are limited. Pack high-energy snacks and meals that are easy to prepare and consume on the go. There are limited facilities in Mekhtar. This means you need to be self-sufficient and prepared for any situation. Plan your route carefully and make sure you have a reliable map and navigation tools. Travelers should be aware of the risks of traveling in a desert environment. The harsh conditions can be challenging, and it is important to take precautions to ensure your safety. Be aware of the signs of dehydration and heat-related illnesses. Dehydration and heat stroke are real dangers. Make sure to take regular breaks in the shade and drink plenty of water. Avoid strenuous activities during the hottest parts of the day. It is important to stay hydrated and take precautions against the sun. Apply sunscreen regularly, wear a hat and sunglasses, and cover exposed skin to protect yourself from harmful UV rays. With the right preparation and mindset, your trip to Mekhtar can be a safe and unforgettable adventure. Section 9. Conclusion. Mekhtar, a unique and challenging destination. Mekhtar is a land of stark beauty and unforgiving challenges. Its arid plains, mountain highlands, and unique geology make it a destination unlike any other. Mekhtar's climate is harsh, but life finds a way to thrive here. The flora and fauna have adapted to survive in this extreme environment. Visiting Mekhtar is not easy, but it is a rewarding experience. It offers a glimpse into a world rarely seen. Mekhtar is a testament to the power of nature. It is a reminder of the importance of preserving our planet's wild places.